Hello, it's Kaibaku here. So, I just got the NXP NAVQ Computer. It's just arrived from FedEx, and the funny thing is, right now, if you order something from the US, it takes 7 days to get here. If you order to Melbourne in Australia, if you order something from China, it takes like 5 or 6 weeks. If you order something from Frankston, it takes like 2 weeks. But America arrives in 7 days. Okay, so this is what we got. This all came out of the box. So they've sent a whole bunch of like cables and Cat5 things, adapters, a USB to micro hub. So this is all really good. They sent a whole box of screws that to mount it to the drone. This is a power supply, some kind of power supply thing. And some kind of adapter to mount it onto the drone. But then this is how the computer comes. It's not quite sure what to do. It's all kind of mounted into the lid. So this is a HDMI port on the back there. There's the camera. There's an SD card in there. What's that? Little 2.4 gigahertz antenna. Some kind of dip switch system. A little, that's a USB, maybe for power or something, I'm not sure. See, what's that one on the back there? Is that firewire? Wow. So yes, it's arrived, and now we'll begin attempting to make it do all the things we want to do. Okay, ciao ciao.